Reflect on your choice of text. Remember Ignite. Remember Lonnie from Locomotion. Chunk into Pieces. 2 poems. New Boy and Sonnet poem. Chewing on it. Remember images you thought of while you read and wrote. Review on the next page. How am I like Lonnie or my choice book character? How am I not like Lonnie? Your name, how you are like the Lonnie or choice book character. Your name, how you are like Lonnie. So green for like, orange for not like. Okay. So review of things about Lonnie. For an example, his writing gives us images, soccer ball, family. He is unaware of his surroundings. Oh, he is aware of his surroundings. He gives props. He reflects on his interests. He writes poetry. He cares about his family. He misses family that have passed on. Other things about Lonnie: has lost close relatives, wants to be reunited with family, has a foster parent. And this is your space. Go ahead and do a post-it with your name, how you are like Lonnie, and how you are not like Lonnie, or another character. You can pick any, like a choice book character. All right, so those are for the different classes. Review. Add picture options. In Schoology, look for the green folder. Options for reflections. And I'll go open that now. Options for your reflections. If you want to try a comic book page digitally, there are options for creating comic book pages such as Sketchpad and Book Creator, which is an app on your iPad. This is a really good introduction to Book Creator, a tutorial. All right. So that's the digital option. And then these are ideas. The pages come from this book. Just wanted to show you the cover. Ta-da! All right. And then next is character traits and groups. You can imagine the pictures for these traits. So what does happy look like? What's a happy emoji? We're so used to emojis now. Nice, bright, cheerful, caring, charming, considerate, delightful. Like literally there's light in that one. So there are images in the character traits. Okay, think about that. And then another thing to jog your memory or help you decide what to do. This is just a example. It's a blank comic book page. So you can look at that. This reminded me when I saw this of Ha's mother, Ha, and the three brothers. Or 4. Ooh, there's another one. Oh, so maybe mom and dad could be in here or something. You can kind of think about it. Who would you want in the different boxes? Ha's best friend might be in one of the boxes. She had to move. All right, and then this is another option. Picture with some text. So you could have a picture and the word for that emotion that the picture shows, for instance. So think about your images and how they work with words. All right, I think that's it. If you need other ideas, just let me know, no problem. And please do check out this video, it's awesome. Thank you.